Now attribute starts with selector. Means you are looking for the specific value that begins with specified text. In this case, you will use cap symbol equal to as the operator. For example, you are writing tag 1 and in the square brackets you are writing attribute 1 cap symbol equal to value 1. It means that you are selecting only the first tag here because it matches with 3 conditions. First of all, it is the instance of tag 1. It has an attribute called attribute 1 and its value begins with value 1 as mentioned here. In this case, it doesn't match with the second tag here because its value begins with value 2 but not value 1. That means it only checks the beginning of the value of attribute but not checking the whole value of the attribute. So let's check this out. I am trying to cut this img4 and img5.jpg from images folder into C:\web folder, that is the root directory of the application. So in the images folder we have img1, 2, 3 and in C:\web folder directly we have img4 and 5. Now I should mention the path like this, right? Alright. Now my goal is that I would like to select all img tags that are having the assorts attribute where its value begins with images slash. That means I would like to select the first 3 images where its value begins with images slash some other file name. Let's try here. So I am looking for only img tags. So I just mentioned the tag name, that is img. And then which attribute am I looking for? That is src attribute. And then its value must begin with images slash. So if you just write src equal to images, it never matches with any of these images. It's because it is checking the whole value of the attribute but not looking for the beginning of the attribute value. In this case, I would like to check only the beginning of the attribute value but not checking the whole value. So I should add cap symbol and then equal to. It means that I would like to check only the beginning of the src attribute value but not checking the whole value. So in these 3 cases, the value begins with images slash. So only these 3 images will be selected here. The remaining instance of img tag will not be selected because its value doesn't begin with images slash. Let's check this out. As you can see, it has selected only the first 3 images where the value begins with images. But it doesn't select the remaining because the value doesn't match with the specified condition. So only when you're looking for specific attributes that has specific value beginning, then you will use this attribute value selector along with the starts with condition.